Hi, I'm Jennifer Fletcher, a faculty in the Division of Humanities and Communication at California State University, Monterey Bay. The following video gives you a quick overview of the purpose and design of the ERWC assignment template. Entering the conversation is where students discover what they think on an issue and work through their personal concerns in preparation for responding to the views of other writers. At this stage in the assignment template, students are composing a draft, they're using the words of other writers, and they're working to negotiate the different voices in the text that they've read. So as teachers, we're thinking about how can we help students to represent the dialogue that's been ongoing among their various written sources. And then lastly, students revise and edit their writing assignments. Many students equate revising with editing. More advanced writers understand that revision involves reevaluating the concepts of the paper, the use of information, the arrangement and structure of argument, and the development and significance of ideas. Revision, as both a reading activity and a writing activity, is based on an assessment of how well the writing has communicated the author's intentions, the argument or ideas of the text. Revising for rhetorical effectiveness encourages writers to address issues of content and structure before they edit, or address sentence-level concerns such as word choice and grammatical accuracy. So the last step as students complete the writing rhetorically stage is for students to reflect again, just as they did at the end of the rhetorical reading stage. And at this point, students are ready to really think about to what extent they've internalized the different strategies that they learned from the other writers that they've been reading. And it's a good chance, again, for teachers to release responsibility and turn ownership of the rhetorical reading and writing process over to students. So a final thought on the assignment template. As new conversations emerge, you might find that you want to use the same assignment template to create your own modules and to find texts that appeal to your students' interests and experiences, and to work through the different headings that you see describing those literate behaviors that we want to develop in students. And really you can see how the ERWC assignment template is the DNA for the course. It represents what we're trying to do in this approach, and it has a life beyond the individual.